Hey, so check it out. Decided to make another Mickey and Minnie Mouse handcar, only this time using Lionel handcar figures. I think they're a lot nicer than the Hallmark ones I used earlier, and they're a Christmas theme. All I had to do was cut the little bottom pieces out, and then where Marx had those slots, I drilled little holes in the feet and put screws up in there to hold them in place. And they work really nice. They're not tight or anything, so they're probably the best one so far that I've made for a Marx handcar because they fit them really well. So we'll take it for a spin. Of course, I also put on a couple of Christmas wreaths just to make it a little more Christmassy. And here we go. Let me turn the camera. There we go. I like how big they are too. They match the handcar a lot better than anything I've done so far. And of course this time around we'll pick the camera up and follow them around. Here we go. Pan back. And as they're coming around, we'll put the camera back down. All right, that one runs really smooth. I really like the looks of these Mickey and Minnie Mouse characters. Again, as I said, they're larger, and for me, they're nicer. And it's a nice, smooth running handcar too. I put new brushes in it. Also had to repair, of course, the broken handles. I don't know, I probably said that earlier. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Have a Merry Christmas. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.